Watan Teachers Association. Balochstan is a non-group, purely teacher representative organization established in 1964 under the leadership of founder Shahid Muhammad Tahirzai. Since its inception, the association has consistently represented teachers with sincerity, courage, and steadfastness. The current president, Dar Mohammed Lango, is leading the organization as a brave, committed, and principled leader. The association played a frontline role in the recent protest movement of the Balochistani Grand Alliance. On June 24th, Central President Dar Mohammed Lango was arrested along with other leaders of the alliance and transferred to Mock Jail, where he endured with resilience and determination. Finally, on July 2nd, he was released, and the teaching community and the public gave him a grand welcome acknowledging his sacrifices.